Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Arena. Members of the National Students Union of India, NSUI, were detained after staging a protest at the Sports Authority of Goa office in Bambuli. The demonstration aimed to address the non-payment of students who volunteered during the National Games, with NSUI President Naushad Chaudhary leading the charge. NSUI President Naushad Chaudhary accused the government of prioritizing expenditure on hospitality for VVIPs while neglecting the timely release of payment to students who played a crucial role in the success of the National Games.
Until they detain us also, what we can do now? Now, if a question is asked, we just came to meet the director. Director doesn't want to meet. Director is sent to detain us. What is this? Students are detained, we are what, criminals? Ask these people. Come and
I don't understand.
These are ordinary students, please ask them.
Why the police called? Why is Lathi charge been ordered against us? We have literally come, this is our money, we have not come free of cost, or no one has sponsored us. I don't understand this. And I mean, we have 3,000 students, out of which only hardly 20 people have come. This shows how scared students are. And if we students are not coming out forward and putting our concerns ahead, what kind of government is this? Are we still in a democracy? Last time I checked, we are in a democracy. This is our money, this is our games. National Games was our pride. We were so proud that National Games is in Goa. This is what is going to happen to us, Goans over here. Then, wow, shame on you all. Isn't it? And wow, calling police misuse of authority. Well done. Bloody well done. Misuse of authority. Good, I got police. Very good, it's on camera. See, so many police have come. Great, just amazing. This shows how scared you all are. And you all are earning salaries, okay? We are not earning anything. We are studying. So good for you all. Shame on you all.
Cooperation Minister Subhash Shirodkar on Monday said that stringent measures are planned against individuals with fraudulent loans from Visionary and Women's Union Bank in Marseille. Minister further asserted that government is aiming to recover maximum amount and settle depositors' dues by December 2024.
दोन-तीन बँकांची जी आसा पयली ते विषय लक्षात आयिल्ले आसा ते हे तिन्ही बँकांतले विषय कशे पयली बरेच पयली म्हणजे 2022-2023 साली बरेच पयली हे मिसमॅनेजमेंट जाल्ले आसा आनी ताजेर आमी दोन तीन हॉटेल घातलेले आसा की जे पयशे रिकवर करपाक जाता उदाहरणार्थ काही फेक लोन्स आसा काही लोन्स रियल आसा म्हणजे बरोबर आसा जी फेक लोन्स आसा तांचे वेगळे पद्धती एक्शन घेवचे आणि ज्यांनी खरेंच लोन घेतलेले आसा 1 लाख 2 लाख 3 लाख 4 लाख 5 लाख त्यांचे कडल्यान जितली जाता तितली रिकवरी करून जांगेर कोणाले डिपॉझिट जे आसा पळय ते डिपॉझिट आमी रिफंड करपाक पळयता जितले शक्य आसा तितले जाता तितले बेगीन म्हणजे आमी डिसेंबर हे टार्गेट दवरता 2024 डिसेंबर टार्गेट जितले मॅक्सिमम रिकवरी करपाक जाता दुर्दैवान अशें आसा की ह्या सोसायटीनी एसएस सुद्दां हे करूंक म्हणजे बँक सुरू करता आसतना जावूं एखादी तांची मनाची भावना वेग बरी आशिल्ली पण जसे पैसे येवपाक लागले तशें मागीर तांची वृत्ती जी आसा ती बदलत गेली आनी बदलत गेली कशी म्हणजे ताजो अपव्यय करपाचो गैरव्यवहार करपाचे हे तांचे हातूंत सुरू जालें आनी त्यामुळे विजनरी बँक नंतर मागीर ही बँक ताची महिला आदान मार्शेल आनी तिसरी अष्टगंधा ही बिचोली अशे 3 बँको जे आसा पयली ते सद्या सामके रेड लिस्टाचेर आसात आनी 2024 पर्यंत ताचो जो कितें वेव्हार आसा पयली आतांचे वेव्हार चालू ना आमी ते लक्ष दवरना ते लक्ष म्हटल्यार एसएस तांचे फायंड आउट करपाचे एसएस दवरल्यार डिस्पोज ऑफ करपाचे आनी जे कितें आसा ते आनीक ज्यांचे कोणाचे रियल लोन आसा ते रिकवर करपाचे आनी जे बोगस केल्ले आसा पळय त्या संबंधी ऑफकोर्स हे सगळे बँकांनी क्रिमिनल केसीस वगैरे फायल जाल्ले आसात आमचे कॉपरेटीव डिपार्टमेंट आसा पळय कॉपरेटीव डिपार्टमेंटान केसीस फायल केल्ले आसात आतां काही वेळ जाता कितें अशा प्रकारचे क्रिमिनल केसी वगैरे फायल जाता पळय ते वेगवेगळे टप्प्याचेर पेंडिंग आनी डिले जाता एक्चुअली तो हे जो प्रोसेस आसा तो मातसो एक्सप्लेन जाता ऑफकोर्स आमी दुसरी एक डिटरमिनेट न्हय घालपाक केल्लें आसा ते म्हटल्यार अशा प्रकारचे लोक सहकार क्षेत्रांत काम करता पयलीं तांकां पर्मनंटली डिस्क्वॉलिफाय करतात आनी अशे पद्दतीन जवळ 40 वयर लोक सुमार सद्या आयचे परिस्थितींत डिस्क्वॉलिफाय करतात.
Street Providence have made allegations against the Women and Child Development Department, claiming their involvement in deceptive practices that purportedly misled the Chief Minister of Goa. Donald Fernandez of Street Providence accused the department of fooling the Chief Minister and expressed dissatisfaction with their actions. Fernandez stated that if demands put forth by Street Providence are not addressed by the end of the day, the organization will consider and determine the next course of action.
Women and Child Office, Panjim. Back you can see the police vehicle which has come as a precautionary measure to give us some support and to avoid any law and order. Basically, what is the issue? There was 9 orders issued by Women and Child, and out of 9 orders which were promised to us, only 7 orders were issued when we had met the CM on 26th of December. Now these 2 orders have to be issued, which is showing in their provision, budget, everything, and 7th of March is the last day to get this money. We had come here on 22nd to tell the director that, sir, please release the orders. Director was not there, deputy director was not there, staff said we cannot talk to you, and that day there was some Shiv Jayanti, there was some problem in Sanjay, so we didn't want to come and trouble anybody. But according to our sources, everything has been signed. It is just time delay tactics, it is just carelessness, it is just no respect for the Chief Minister. My claim is this Women and Child Deputy Director is fooling the Chief Minister. I am putting a direct claim and I'll explain to you why she is fooling the Chief Minister. On 26th of December, she has told Chief Minister, the file is ready, money is there, this is there, that is there. Till 22nd of February, the file is not signed. We had to sit in the secretariat, beg with Mr. Sir Gaunekar, get the file signed, and now we are come back here. We were supposed to come back in the morning with 10 ladies and keep them here and collect the money. I went on top, I met the director. He has assured that he will do the best he can. If he does not do it by today, we will have to go to the next plan of action. We appreciate the police coming. There is police there also, and there is police here also. We appreciate police coming. Whatever we do, we inform the administration. We don't simply come and make noise anywhere. Health, Women and Child, entire department is informed. Police has been informed. Disability Commission has been informed. Ministers have been informed. My claim is you give me my orders today, which you were supposed to give me when we met the CM.
A tempo carrying water bottles sank near Azad Maidan after a road caved in. The incident occurred, creating a scene of chaos and drawing attention to the potential hazards of the ongoing smart city works in the area. The incident took place on Monday, causing a temporary disruption in the vicinity.
विला सांग कितें जालां एक्चुअली हांगा गाडी भितर गेली
हो ट्रकार पुणेच्यान येयला गाडी लोडेड घेवन हांगाच्यान गाडी तर एक तर पार्किंग सगळे खणकला मारून दवरल्या ह्या खणक्यान ह्या स्मार्ट सिटीच्या सेवेस्ट हितून सगळे रेंव भरून दवरला ताका तो टर्न पळोवंक ना तेणें माती आसा म्हणून घट आसतली म्हणून तेणें टर्न घेवपाक काडले पळय न्हू तेजी गाडी अशी रमल्या आनी येयल्ल्या दिसा हे प्रॉब्लेम हांगा हे फेस करता कसले कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर म्हणून खबर ना स्मार्ट सिटी करपाकूच जाय पूण अशें न्ही लोकांचे जीव घेवन बाबा ही गाडी आतां पडटा ह्या गाडयेचेर सुद्दां टॅक्सीचेर सुद्दां पडपा ही गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा ही गाडी यूज जाता टॅक्सी हेजेर पडटा आतां वाचल्या प्रत्येक टायमाक खंय वचत थंय सगळ्याक अशें खणून दवरल्या कसलो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हो सेफर आसा म्हणटा आपली सेफ्टी पयलीं बाळगल्या म्हणटा सेफ्टी खंय रे आसा हेजी कोण हो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कसले कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेता लोकांचे जीव घेवपाक हे जालें
एज अ सिटीजन ऑफ पणजी तुमकां हे आतां डेली पळोवपाक मेळटा
डेली
कोणाक ब्लेम करता तुमी
अरे सिटी कोण स्मार्ट सिटीचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेतला पळय न्हू तो सगळो हेजो जिम्मेदार हे सगळे धूळ खावप हे आमकां खंय वचत थंय गाडी बायक सुद्दां काडपाक मेळना एक सायडीक जाणें खणला दुसऱ्या सायडीकूय खणला तिसऱ्या सगळे रस्ते सगळे खणून दवरला एक सायड दवरूंक ना आनी पळयता जाल्यार असले कामां हे स्मार्ट सिटीचे सगळे कामां धूळ नाकान वचून अरे मरपाचे जाले निमोनिया जावपाचे लास्ट उरले कोवीड जाले ते जाले आतां लास्ट निमोनिया जावन मरपाचे आमी गोवा मेडिकल हांव हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक सांगता गोवा मेडिकलाची खाटी दवर लोक भरपूर येवपाचे आहा निमोनिया जावन थंय खरें सांगता हांव तुमकां कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर पळय करता न्हू हे कामां हे नालायकपणा कामां स्मार्ट सिटी अरे करूच तूं पूण लोकांचे सेफर सायड हे कितें रे येयल्ल्या दिसांनी ट्रक भितर एक लोडेड गाडी येवपाचीच ना पणजे सिटीन भितर हे कसले रे कामां आतां हांवूय आहलो फाटल्यान पडलेले जाल्यार हांव वस्तू वयतलो जालो सकयल पोट तिडकीन उलोवचें पडटा हें कसले रे ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर.
Former MLA Churchill Alamau has raised concerns over the rising accidents in Goa. Alemao said that rent-a-car owners should appoint drivers whenever car is allotted to any tourist.
Problem is rent kept पड़ा कोण ओनर आसलो त्याने आपल्या गेलो ड्रायव्हर धरपा जाय आपल्या गेलो ड्रायव्हर दोय आनी कोणाको रेंटान दी आतां एग्जाम्पल हाडटा आनी हो एग्जाम्पल न्हू आख्या म्हाका गोंयच्या लोकांक सांगपाचें कोणेच समज हांव एक गाडी नोडा हांवें गाडी केन्ना चलयली ना हांव समज बेलगांवसून गोंय येयलां आनी हांव मुगे एकट्याक दाखोवचें मजा करपाक रेंटान गाडी मेळटा म्हूण गाडी घेता चलोवपाक मुगे लायसन्स कोणें चोयलें ना म्हाका कितें आहा तें म्हाका कोणें हें चोयलें ना आनी म्हाका चलोवपाक धीर येता ना तोय कोणें चोयलें ना रेंटान म्हणटकूच गाडी तेणी दिली ओके रेंटान गाडी म्हणटकूच तो गाडी केन्ना चलयना नासलो चलयता आनी बऱ्या मनशाची वयता त्या पासत मुगे एक सजेशन हांव म्हणटना सीएम घेतलो दिसना तें कित्याक ही इज अ सीएम तो रूल करता पूण म्हजें एकूच सजेशन कोणूय तरी रेंटान गाडी दिता त्याने तेगे ड्रायव्हर बराबर दिलो नाजाल्यार रेंटान गाडी दिवची न्हू कोणाकूच रेंटान तरी गाडी दितलो त्याने तेगे ड्रायव्हर दिवपाचो नाजाल्यार रेंटान गाडी कोणाक दिवपाचें न्हू कित्याक आज जायत आज आदले भाशेन संवसार ना आतां भुरगे आतां संस्था डिफरंट हेजेर चल्ले आहा थोडे जाणां येता यूथ हिंगा सगळे मजा मारपाक आनी मजा मारपाक येता आसतना जेन्ना आज हिंगा जायत कडेन ड्रग्सूय चलता आनी एक पाटी तो ड्रग्स तरी कोणें घेतलो तो ड्रग्साची तो कितली गाडी फास्ट चलता कितली तें कांय खबर आसना हो एक मोठो प्रश्न जालो दुसरो प्रश्न मोठो जो रेंटेड पळय गाडी आहा तेणे गाडी तेगेलो ड्रायव्हर दिन रेंटान दिवपाची नाजाल्यार बिश्टी गाडी कोणाक दिवप न्हू दीस इज माय सजेशन कित्याक आज जो कोण मोन गेलो तो कोणागेलो भुरगो लॉस जालो फाल्यां आनीकूय लॉस जातले ते पासून रेंटान गाडी दितात रेंटान गाडी दिता आसतना तेगेलो ड्रायव्हर तेणे दिसता तेका.
The Anti-Narcotic Cell ANC of the Goa Police arrested a 56-year-old Nigerian for allegedly possessing drugs worth rupees 74.75 lakh. According to the police, the Anti-Narcotic Cell conducted a narcotic raid at Arpara and arrested the Nigerian national with the drugs.
The accused, identified as Innocent Okejunu Animim, native of Oburuikwe, Abuja, Nigeria, and presently residing at Arpora, was arrested for allegedly being in possession of 480 grams of cocaine worth 72 lakh rupees, 15 grams of ecstasy powder worth 1.50 lakh rupees, and 250 grams of charas worth 1.25 lakh rupees. The accused was on the ANC radar for quite some time, and his movements were closely monitored at his prominent hangout. Police revealed that the accused is a history sheeter and has 3 cases registered in Goa against him, and the same are pending trial before the courts. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Elections for the president's post of Murmugaon Dangar Samaj was held on Sunday. Lakshman Kavlekar, a 6-time former president of the Goa Dangar Samaj, has been elected as the new president of the Murmugaon Dangar Samaj.
माझे नाव लक्ष्मण कवळेकर आणि या वाठारांतलो आयज आमी हांगा मुर्मुगांव तालुकाची कमिटी काडपा लागून जनरल बॉडी मिटींग आपयल्या आणि सर्वसम्मतीन आयज ह्या तालुक्याचो अध्यक्ष लोकांनी म्हाका लक्ष्मण कवळेकरा अध्यक्ष म्हणून म्हाजी निवड केल्ली आसा. हेच्या पयलो हांव ऑल गोवा धनगर समाजाचो अध्यक्ष 99 6 फावटी अध्यक्ष जालो ऑल गोवा धनगर समाज आणि तसोच मुर्मुगांव तालुक्याचो आणि ह्या समाजान म्हाजे फाटल्यान कटासी सदांशीं रावला म्हूण ह्या समाजाचो हांव खूब उपकारी आसा.
Santos Passos was observed at Our Lady of Snows Church in Raya on Sunday with Father Janure da Costa, the parish priest leading the congregation as the main celebrant. The church was adorned with a sense of spirituality as devotees gathered for the occasion. And in sports, in a compelling GFA First Division match held at the Rosary Ground in Navili on Sunday, São José de Areal showcased their prowess by defeating Velsau Sports and Cultural Club with a commanding 3-0 scoreline. The match witnessed stellar performances, with midfielder Raymond Fernandes emerging as a star player for Areal.
Raymond Fernandes demonstrated exceptional skills throughout the game, showcasing his dribbling finesse, powerful shooting, and delivering a number of crucial assists to his teammates. On the opposing side, Rajat P. Malik, the striker for Velsau, gave a commendable effort for his team, despite facing tough competition. The match began with Rajat P. Malik of Velsau missing an early scoring opportunity in the 2nd minute. In response, Raymond Fernandes attempted a long-range shot in the 4th minute.
In a thrilling finale at the DSY ground in Kurturi on Sunday, Francisco Andrade's remarkable hat-trick propelled Don Bosco Urutri Fatorda to victory, clinching the 13th Wilred Leisure Football Cup. The final, organized by Wilred Leisure Sports Club Kurturi, witnessed a riveting match as Fatorda triumphed over Davorli Sports Club with a 3-2 scoreline.
The high-stakes final unfolded in front of a large Sunday crowd, creating an electrifying atmosphere. Davolim SC took an early lead in the 7th minute as Roisin Koleko found the net with a well-placed shot. However, the momentum shifted when Adin of Davolim conceded a penalty after bringing down Francisco Andrade in the danger area. Andrade calmly converted the penalty in the 22nd minute, leveling the score. Inesio Noronha for Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.